In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Reddit community private. We'll be going through the community creation process on Reddit and choosing the private setting at the right moment. So your community is set up the way you want from the start. If you're creating a space that should only be visible to approved members, this is the option you'll want to use. To begin, go to your Reddit home dashboard. This is the main area you'll see after signing in, and it's where you can access the tools needed to create and manage communities. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Start a Community. This will open the community setup flow, where Reddit walks you through the main decisions for your new space. Next, choose the topic or topics your community will be about. This helps Reddit categorize your community and can make the setup more tailored to the kind of content you plan to host. Pick the option that best fits your theme. After that, you'll be asked to decide whether the community should be public, private, or restricted. This is the key step. Here, click on Private. Selecting private means access is limited, which is ideal if you want more control over who can view and participate in the community. You'll also see a mature content toggle. If your community is intended for mature or sensitive content, turn that on. If not, just leave it as it is. Make sure this setting matches the type of content you expect in the community, since it affects how your space is labeled. When you're done with those options, click Next to move forward. Now click into the community name field and enter the name you want to use. Try to choose something clear and relevant, since the name helps members instantly understand what the community is for. Then click into the description field and add a description. This is where you can explain the purpose of the community, what kind of posts are welcome, and any important expectations for members. Even for a private community, a clear description helps set the tone. After that, click on the base color option if you want to change the community colors. This is more about appearance, but it can help give your community a more polished and recognizable look. Finally, you can also change the rules in the welcome guide. This is a useful step because it helps establish boundaries and gives new members a better understanding of how the community works before they start participating. And that's how to make a Reddit community private while setting up the rest of the basics at the same time.